Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video, and as you see here, the daily candle is finished here. Is it that one, guys? So nothing was changed. The only thing here, it's still the same as also we showed you before. We told you we got here an inside bar. That one we need to focus about it very much, guys. Either the market to come to break down here or to break upward here. That inside bar, you need to make a close eye at it, what the market is going to do, guys. Till now, also we still sideways here, and I told you even tomorrow we're going to stay sideways here. So you need to make a close eye at it. Till Monday, guys, then we're going to see what the market is going to do. Either to break up or to break down. And tomorrow, the weekly candle is going to finish it, guys. So make sure to watch in tomorrow video. By the way, Yes, you, my friend. Are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Plus, every day we put on for you 2 videos. Did you subscribe, my friend? And please smash the like button with it. Helping us. None of that channel without you guys can grow enough. Everything is too clear, guys, here. And here in the daily, we still have the same thing. Nothing was changed, guys. I show you all those things before that way. I don't want to repeat it, wasting time in them, but it's okay. Because I know some people that did just the first time of them here. I told you before we got here like a channel or a flag. And I told you also we touch the lower of it here now. Now either from here we are going to go back up or till here, or we're going to come and we break down. And now as you see, guys, majority of the news now about the exchanges, they're asking regulation for Coinbase. They're asking to show the proof of they have the assets of investors and those things. You don't need to care about nothing, guys. Don't need to care about nothing. Focus it only about your money where they are. I told you, for people that got a little bit of capital, use Ledger or Nano Ledger wallet. That one is like a hard drive. You buy it doing I think $60 in Amazon or something like that. You buy it. You store your Bitcoin in it if you are a long-term investor. If you are a small investor, you don't got that much of money, store your Bitcoin in Binance. And there is that blockchain, I think, as a wallet. There is coin payment. But me personally, I think Binance, because me is like that I'm doing. I got 50% of my investment is it in Binance, and 50% is it in that Ledger USB, as I told you, or drive. You can take it everywhere you want, and when you reach the target, you send it to the wallet and you sell. Yes, there is fees of transaction, but it's okay. Everything is too clear, guys, because Binance is the biggest exchange, guys. If Binance goes, even me, I'm going to change that channel and there is no Bitcoin anymore. Everything is too clear, guys, here. So here in daily, there is nothing new. And also here, we still have the same targets, guys. So you remember that one, that the lower of that wage also we draw in before. We draw it in the weekly. When we reach the weekly, I'm going to show it to you. And here that level as I show it to you. And that one here in the top, we couldn't break it. So also we're still under the net. If the market go back inside here, is a very good news. If not, we're going to drop below that level here, guys. So let's wait in the coming days what they are going to bring for us. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now it's going to see our indicators what the same for the pictures to be more clear to you. That one here, as you see it, nothing was new here. Still the same in that level. And I told you when it give us here that peak, either from here is going to go back till down here, or from that level where we are here, you're going to see it going upward, guys. But the bad news here, also we're still in a downtrend. As you see it, we're still below that downtrend also we've been following from 2021. Yes, it's break it here, but look at it, it's showing now rejection down. So for daily, guys, there is nothing new. We're going to stay sideways. That's what I told you. We don't know either from here is going to give us another low, or maybe that low here is the last low. Then you're going to see the Bitcoin going higher, guys. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now we're going to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here we are, guys, in the 4 hours. Here in the 4 hours, what I told you before. I told you here, we got like a flag like that, as you see it. But now it's giving us here something new, guys. Look at it with me here. What you see in here, you see it or no? It's showing here as if it's breaking down. But that one not yet, guys. There is no breaking yet because the volume here is very, very flat. As you see, all those candles here, all of them, they are very, very, very flat. There is no going up, no going down, and the volume is very low, guys. No one buying, no one selling. And that was something scaring, guys. Let me be honest with you, because the market it's need either to go up or to fall down, guys. Like that, a huge volume coming, guys. A very huge volume coming, either up or either down. A very huge volume is going to come, guys, because people, they're still waiting the news of the exchanges. Till now, those exchanges, they're falling like a domino. Every day we have a new exchange falling, and that, what can we say, is good for the ecosystem of cryptocurrency, guys, because those scammers and those thieves, they need to come off from the market, and they will stay. Only those people, they came and they bring something new to the world of cryptocurrency, because the world of cryptocurrency is full by scammers, guys. Very, very, very full by scammers. That's what me have been telling you. I think everything is too clear here, guys. The only thing, my advice to you, don't put all your eggs in one basket, guys. If the money you put in crypto, if it goes, you don't care, because you need to have other places. Everything is too clear, guys. So here in the 4 hours, I think we're going to stay here till Monday. Then we're going to see either we're going to break higher here and the market is going to give us here a price action or something, or we're going to break lower. That's when we're going to break that last low here. So there is two places you need to make a close eye at them, guys. That level here, that one you need to make a close eye at it, and that level here you need to make a close eye at it. Now, either from here to come and to break higher here and to break for us that last high here, and that one is very, very stronger level, guys, or to come to break for us that low here, that one, and that meant Bitcoin will go to 10k, guys. If we break in that level here, we're going to go to 10k. Remember my word. Or we can go even lower than 10k if we break in that level here. Everything is too clear, guys, here. So here in the 4 hours, there is nothing clear yet. The market is still very, very, very flat, and there is no price action indicating for us to enter. As I told you before, it's being here a falling knife. It needs to bounce, and that the bouncing, guys, as you see it here. That one, all of it is the bouncing, and that power will be pushing here. Here it's being by 100 km per hour, and now, or 100 mile per hour. And now here, what it's showing to you is getting slower and slower and slower. That means the speed is getting lower till the car is going to stop. Everything is too clear, guys. Now it's going to see our indicators, what the same for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator here, when it touch here, also we buy. And as you see it here, same thing me I show you before, is the same thing here, guys. As you see it here, it's still flat here, the market. There is no volume here. Look at it. In the first, it used to give us peaks here. Now as if it's going here, very, very, very flat. There is no volume in the market, guys. So now we need to wait in the big power we're going to come, guys. Either to push higher or to push lower to give us here another low here. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go in to see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. That one here, the same thing, guys. Also, we are at the oversold area, and our indicators become red, but that one is not an indication we need to buy. As I told you, we need a price action, guys, here, indicating for us to buy. We don't got any price action yet here, indicating for us we need to buy. It might is going to come down and to break for us that last low here and to fall down more, guys. But me, as I show you my opinion before, I told you it might is going to stay here sideways for some time, guys, till there is no one buying Bitcoin. Then you're going to see a big pushing up, guys. Forget about what people they say, forget about the media, forget about everything. The most important, put your assets in somewhere, is it secure, and forget about everything else, guys. Everything is too clear here. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what is it there for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Here in 30 minutes, what me I told you in the last two videos, used to have here a channel. I told you when it's breaking here, we need to enter long. Until now, also we stay long. And here, I told you to put the stop loss below that level here. And I told you to take profit, it needs to be here, guys. Here, at that place here. At that last peak here. Why? We're going to see, guys, because me, I think the Bitcoin is well still going up, guys. Everything is very clear, guys, and in front of you. There is nothing too hard. Everything is too clear. It's our indicators what the same for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, as you see it, it's still here at the oversold area. The price action is breaking up here. We need to use stop loss, guys, because it might from here to fall down and to hit for our stop loss. That's a part of the game. but we need to accept the losses of us. And as you see here, guys, look at the market here. Even here in 30 minutes, what it's showing to you is very, very, very dry. No one investing now in the Bitcoin, guys. And me personally, I think that the right moment for us to start thinking of to investing for long term in the Bitcoin. Because when everyone is scared from Bitcoin, that's the right time when you're going to see the Bitcoin changing his direction from that downtrend, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, guys. See you after European market close or in the time of market European close. Bye for now, guys.